Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a little bit different. We're going to do a paper craft. If you see these hanging bubbles up here from the ceiling, we're going to work on how we made those today. So let's get started. We're going to print some bubbles from online. You can just look Google and do a search. They have so many different types. You're also going to need some fishing line and glue stick and some scissors. The first thing we're going to do is get some bubbles cut out. Also, I wanted to say, make sure you get a variety of different sizes of bubbles, because that would help the hanging bubbles look a little bit more realistic if you get different sizes, that you can make some of the double bubbles also, which you'll see a little bit later. Now we're going to take some fishing line and we're going to add the fishing line to the bubbles with the tape. This is just going to help hold it in place. And then we're going to add some glue to the bubbles, and then make sure that you have the bubbles facing the right way also. That's important if you want the details of it to show. And we're just going to go ahead and add another bubble on top once we put glue on the bottom layer. And then we just kind of squeeze it a little bit to help it stick. And we just continue, and now we're just going to add another bubble just like we did the first one. Following Friday after this one, I'm going to be showing you some pre-birthday setup for my daughter's unicorn and mermaid birthday party that I did. You don't want to miss that video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more videos. Check out my new uploads on Tuesdays and Fridays, and have a royal day.